That's a great idea. Okay. Okay. I think that's enough. Let's keep going.
What is that?
That's somebody's old cigarette. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's yucky. They put their mouth on it and it's poison.
Don't touch it.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
On that water bottle.
Yeah, that's why we don't touch water bottles outside. What?
Who do that?
I don't know. Some kid probably did it like a long time ago and it's still there.
Who did?
I don't know. Probably a kid with some paint. It's just a car. It's the rocks that you put in there like 5 minutes ago.
Oh. What this?
It's just part of the sidewalk that I think they fixed it and then it cracked.
Bag?
The doggy poop bag we saw yesterday,
Yeah.
it's way up there.
Oh.
You want to look for it?
Yeah.
All right, just don't touch it.
Okay.
You know, never touch dog poop, right?
Okay. That.
That's a piece of grass, Lil.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, it's rocks. You like those ones? Okay. It's a nice one. You're very pleased with that find? Yeah, it's a good find. Hey, you think there's ants here today? This is the special dinosaur in the tree. Do you want to put one of your toys up there like we talked about?
No.
Okay. It's a pencil
Where's Google?
in your backpack. You're so friendly. You're so sweet. I don't know. Probably someone who found it. That's the pencil that we just saw. But it was probably someone who found it, like how we put toys in the tree at the playground so that the kids can come back and get them. It's like that. That's alcohol. It's like poison, but it's okay for a little bit when you're older. I think that is an earplug or a pencil eraser. There's a lot of trash out here from that wind.
What's that?
That is alcohol, which is really, really, really bad.
What's that?
Glass from the alcohol bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It would burn my finger.
Yeah, it would hurt your finger. Yeah. If you touch glass, it'll hurt your finger. All right, let's go. I think that is for like the lights in our house and stuff. I think that's what it's for.
What's that?
That's some stores. And there's the dog poop bag you wanted to find so bad. So you don't even walk near it. It's really yuck. Because they were supposed to throw it away, but they didn't. And I think it's been here for a really long time.
What's that?
That's the dog poop bag you were talking about.
What's in it?
Poop.
A dog poop?
Yeah.
What's that?
That's a glove. I don't know why. This is looking a little weird, this situation. Some weirdo, I guess. Some weirdo that likes to carry dog poop around with a glove and then leave it. People are weird. It's a pencil
How?
from a kid that probably was walking home from school and they dropped it maybe.
They butter painted that. Oh, that part is
If we leave it, maybe they'll pick it up.
pick that small pencil.
Yeah, they could be friends. The big pencil and the small pencil.